Hi everybody, I'm Leticia.
And I am Andres, and we have a YouTube channel called Totalmente Perdidos. It's all in Spanish, and we want to say hello to you from the 2024 Tampa RV SuperShow. We're super excited. We just want to show you our HQ21 from Black Series. It's a 2023 model, super new, and we just came from Alaska on our maiden trip, 13,000 miles. We're super excited to show you guys.
Let's go!
All right, welcome to our home. This is our lovely HQ21. It's about 21 foot long. We've been traveling full time since 2019 on a 36 with the whole family, and now we are kind of empty nesters in a way. So, but we love this. The area that we love the most is this sitting area. It's huge, and it's the windows are European style thing. You know, they have all these latches. They open pretty quick. When they're closed, they block the noise a lot, so these are super fine. But the main thing is there's no way you can park this rig in a wrong position. You know, it's always great because it's 270 degrees of. You feel like you're outside actually, and the panoramics, and so this is our favorite area. The table goes up and down. There's plenty of storage area down there. Underneath this sort of couch seat is the battery bank, the battle-born batteries, which are full of original Alaskan dust. You know, this is real because we didn't have the time to dust it, and this is a 400 amp hour battery bank full with a new lithium batteries here. Let's clean them up a little bit. So this 400 amp battery bank kept us unplugged, absolutely 100% unplugged on a 13,000 mile trip from Georgia to Alaska. Traveling to Alaska, you know, Canada, all that stuff, and back to Georgia without plugging in 100% of that trip, and it's incredible. It's a small rig, but this battery bank is amazing. Then we moved to the kitchen area, more of a Leticia's kingdom, I would say. We love it. We love it. It's small, compact, and everything, you know, it's latchable. You know, it opens. It just stays there for, you know. This moves like an earthquake pretty much all the time. On this area, there's a lot of storage area. Boom, boom, and then you have another down here for shoes, Moji's food, and everything dog related is there. Shoes there. It's a small rig, but with a big heart. You know, it has a lot of storage room for the kitchen area, for some, you know, whatever you want to put there. We are very, very minimalistic in a sense, so everything has to be dual purpose here, and so except for this, you know, just one purpose, just to brag about. So, and last but not least, here's the bedroom area. It's beautiful and has two super big picture windows that you can open, and air circulation is fantastic here. You can lay down there and enjoy your cool breeze. There is another feature outside that I want to show you. Come with me. We want to show it a little bit of a shine. Woo woo. All right, so we are originally from Argentina, and in Argentina we eat a lot of meat, so we really love this outside kitchen here. It's long, very long, super easy to set up. with, you know, burners here, but you can set up, you know, any kind of thing here, because you can cook your eggs, but we love meat, as I said. So it has a sink and everything you need to have a really nice barbecue, or asado as we say it. All right, you guys, thanks for checking out our rig. You can find us on YouTube as Totalmente Perdidos. You can use your closed captions feature if you don't understand anything that we're saying, because it's all in Spanish. So thanks for coming. See you next time.